In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Start by opening Play Store and installing free app called Magic Fluid Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click on the note icon at the bottom left corner. You will see it in the minute. This one. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes in Use App Settings pop-up. Now you can click on Set Wallpaper and click on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen right away. Or tap on this gear at the top right corner and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Then you can use all of those options to adjust your wallpaper perfectly, and even select presets at the top left corner and tap on one of those options. I will go with this one. In order to continue, tap on Yes in the Load Preset pop-up and go back. Then click on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it. I will go with Home Screen only, so when I tap and close Magic Fluids app, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!